everybody, and welcome to this video on the exponential graph. In this video, we'll have a look at how to plot the graph. So plotting the graph is a combination of all of the concepts that we've learned so far. So knowing about the shape, the intercepts, the asymptotes, and whether it's a decreasing or increasing function. If you can put all of that information together, we can successfully plot a graph. So let us start with this example. The first thing we'll talk about is the shape. So the shape, so we have that our A is equal to 1, and that is positive. So we know that our graph will be on the positive axis. The second thing is we want to determine whether it's an increasing or decreasing function. So that's having a look at the B value. So our B, or the base of is 2. So then this value is greater than 1, and according to this, we then have an increasing function. If you are unfamiliar with these two concepts that we have just spoke about, please watch our previous video. The next thing is we would like to put our asymptote. So our asymptote is in general equal to y is equal to q. Our q value in this case is -4. So we have y is equal to -4 as our asymptote. Let us now go and get our intercepts. So our x-intercept, how do we get that? We make y equals 0. So we have 0 is equal to 2 to the power of x minus 4. We are now solving an exponential equation. So we take the 4 over to the other side and we make the bases the same. Once the bases are the same, we can work with the exponent. So here we get that x is equal to 2. So our x-intercept is 2 and 0. The next thing we would like to get is our y-intercept. To get our y-intercept, we make x equals 0. So it is y is equal to 2 to the power of 0 minus 4, which is 1 minus 4, which is minus 3. So our y-intercept is 0 and -3. Let us plot the graph now. So we just draw in our axes. Okay, so the first thing we'll put is our asymptote. So our asymptote is y is equal to -4. Then let us put in our x-intercept, which is at 2. And our y-intercept, which is at -3. And then finally, we have that it is an increasing shape. So we know the shape, and then we can join the dots, putting an increasing shape above our asymptote because our A is positive, and that is our exponential graph. The last thing I just want us to get is the domain and range. So if you remember, the domain is x is an element of real numbers, and that will always be the domain for an exponential function, and the range is y is an element from our asymptote, which is -4, all the way to infinity. If any of this has been confusing, please watch our previous videos on the exponential function.